Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we will learn about how to produce a beep sound within the Visual Basic.NET. So how we can do that? First you need to go to File, you need to open and click on Project. Here you have multiple options, so you need to click on Visual Basic and Windows Form application. You need to click OK and you got your Windows Form, both the GUI and the coding section. So we will go to Toolbox, we will take one push button, we will drag it out like this. Now we will double click on this button and it will lead us to the callback of what's called as the push button. Okay, so this is the subroutine or callback function of the push button. Here you just need to write console.beep. okay, this is our function, and beep is a function. Okay, and what we need to insert in the parameters bracket, we need to write like 2000 comma 1000. 2000 is the frequency of the beep or tone and 1000 is the duration, that is 1000 milliseconds. So can we go for like start? Okay, so whenever we will press the button our beep is there. Okay, so okay, now you can observe it. Okay, you can observe the beep. If we use to change the what's called as the first let it stop, if we change like the frequency, you will see that our tone sound will be a bit changed. Okay, now you can see that. So in this way you can create a beep sound within the Visual Basic. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.